It is situated at the western side door of Kalaram temple. Lord Rama's wife, Sita, dwelled at this place and King Ravana abducted her from this place. The Shivling that she worshipped is still there in the Guha, a Guha in Panchvati area of Nashik where Ma Sita and Ram believed to have stayed during their exile. There are 5 banyan trees in this area and thus called Panchvati. Panchvati named so because of 5 banyan trees near the Guha which still exists. In the banyan tree you can see the number plate 1 this way. They have marked all the 5 ancient banyan trees. It is difficult for elderly person also, but with a good crawling technique one can go inside the Guha. Inside the Sita Guha, you have to bend down to go through it. There are steps which goes down and then goes up. The height of the Guha is around 2.5 to 3 feet and it becomes narrow as you go inside. It hardly takes 1 minute to cover the Guha. There are 2 small rooms in the Gufa. In the first space, the idols of Lord Rama, Lakshman and Ma Sita are there. In the next adjoining space, Shivalinga is there, and then you come out from the Guha by climbing up the steps. Photography is banned inside the premises and you need to switch off the camera also. Although the whole Sita Guha is very small, but it really recharges you. A must-visit place for spiritual people or for Lord Rama lovers. The place needs more care and protection.